Ano yung moral? Moral leadership. Moral and ethical leadership or moral leadership muna tayo. So, moral leadership daw is about leading with a strong sense of personal values and principle. It's also it's not just about following the rules, but also about acting with integrity, fairness, and compassion. So, pag sinabi daw moral leaders, as a moral leaders, dapat daw meron kang integrity, empathy, accountability, courage, fairness, and humanity. Bilang moral leaders, dapat ikaw yung nag-lead ng example sa mga inspiring others na makikinig sa'yo para magkaroon ng positive impact. So, para sa inyo, ano yung moral leadership?
For me, moral leadership refers to leading with integrity, ethics, and strong sense of responsibility, guiding action and discussion with a clear moral compass. And they have a key characteristic also. An integral, ethical awareness, fairness, transparency, empathy, responsibility, and respect. And also the key principle is justice, compassion, honesty, respect for autonomy, and benefits.
So for me naman yung moral and ethical leadership is inspire trust and loyalty in their followers. They create a positive and productive work environment where everyone feels valued and respected. This leads to improved employee morale and engagement, increased productivity and performance, enhanced brand image and reputation, stronger relationships with stakeholders.
So, next one we have the ethical leadership. About naman to sa leading with strong moral compass. Yung principle niya is fairness, honesty, and responsibility. And it's all about doing the right thing. So, for you, ano yung difference between the moral and ethical leadership? Ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa? Because as far as I know, may pagkakaiba yung moral and ethical. So, ang moral and ethical leadership is often used interchangeably by they have distinct meaning. So, magkaiba daw yung moral and ethical leadership. Example for that is, sa moral leadership, nakafocus siya sa personal values and beliefs, while sa ethical leadership is nakafocus naman siya sa impact sa iba. It also has sa moral leadership, it also has a conscience and principle, while sa ethical leadership, ethical standards and values now. They are both important, but ethical leadership is considered more comprehensive and encompassing moral principle, while also considering the impact on others. So yun, anong sa tingin niyo pagkakaiba ng dalawa?
So for me, moral refers to personal beliefs and values about right and wrong. It's deeply ingrained and often shaped by unique culture and personal experiences. So sa ethical humans refers to a set of principles and rules that guide behavior in a particular context.
For me, moral and ethical leadership is the foundation of effective and responsible leadership. It involves guiding and influencing, making integrity and a strong sense of responsibility. This type of leadership is essential in today's complex and dynamic world where leaders face numerous challenges and ethical dilemmas. Also, moral and ethical leaders possess certain characteristics that distinguish them from other leaders. These include integrity, ethical awareness, fairness, transparency, efficiency, responsibility, and respect. They lead by example of demonstrating strong commitment to their value and principles. Their action and discussion are guided by the clear moral compass which earns them the trust and respect of their followers.
So, according to their differences, konti lang yung pagkakaiba nila, but both moral and ethical leadership is profound also. So, they have impact on organization. Sa tingin nyo, what is the impact of moral leadership sa isang organization? And also, the ethical leadership. Anong impact mo sa organization?
In organization?
Yeah. Example for that is strong values. Kung sa moral, strong values. Bakit? Kasi moral leaders daw is instill a strong sense of purpose and value within the organization. It also daw increase the trust. So when employees believe their leaders are morally sound, they are more likely to trust them, leading to increased collaboration, communication, and commitment to the organization goals. It also improves decision making. Moral leaders make decisions based on their values and principles, leading to more ethical and responsible choices that benefit the organization and its stakeholders. It also enhance reputation. Organization with a more which can attract top talent, customer, and investor. So, sa ethical leadership, it also has impact in positive work environment, improve employee performance, strong compliance, increase customer loyalty. Kung pagsasama-samahin yung impact mo, it's create a culture of excellence, build strong relationship, contribution to sustainable growth. In conclusion, moral and ethical leadership are not just abstract concepts but essential drivers of organizational success. By cultivating these qualities, organization can create a more positive, productive, and sustainable work environment that benefits everyone involved. So for you, ano yung, according to what I've said, ano yung impact ng moral and ethical sa organization?
For me, the impact of morality in organization is a increased trust. Moral leadership fosters trust among employees, stakeholders, and customers. Number 2 is improved reputation. Ethical organizations are viewed favorably by the public and media. 3 is enhanced collaboration. Sharing moral values, promote teamwork and cooperation. Number 4 is better discussion making. Moral principle guide discussion making, reducing unethical choices. 5 is increasing employee engagement. Moral workplace elevate employee and boost job satisfaction. 6 is reduce turnover. Ethical organization experience lower employee turnover rates. And lastly is improved customer loyalty. Moral business build build strong customer relationships.